Put that strawberry down. Seriously. You're about to put something in your mouth that scientists call a chemical cocktail. You think you're eating healthy? Think again. For the last 5 years in a row, the Environmental Working Group has ranked strawberries as the one most contaminated food on the planet. But here is the scary part. It's not just about the pesticides, it's about the shape. If your strawberries look huge, perfectly conical, and have white tops, you aren't looking at nature. You're looking at a science experiment. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which type of strawberry leads to hormone disruption and cancer risks, and the only way you should ever wash them if you want to protect your family. Why are strawberries so dangerous compared to a banana or an orange? It's simple. They have no defense system. When farmers spray bananas, you peel the skin. The pesticides go in the trash. But a strawberry? The skin is the fruit. It has thousands of tiny pores. When it gets sprayed with fungicides and insecticides, it doesn't just sit on the surface. It acts like a sponge. It soaks it all the way to the core. You cannot just rinse this off with tap water. You are essentially eating the spray. And what are they spraying? Chemicals like carbendazim, a hormone disruptor that is banned in the European Union because of its link to genetic damage. Yet it is still found on strawberries sold in grocery stores everywhere. Now let's talk about the title of this video, the shape. We have been brainwashed to think a good strawberry is massive, perfectly shaped, and bright red. This is a lie. If you see a strawberry that is abnormally large, holds a perfect shape, but is white or hollow on the inside, beware. This is a sign of forced rapid growth. Commercial growers use growth regulators and excessive nitrogen fertilizers to pump these berries up with water and size before they are nutrient-dense. The result? A giant berry that is low in antioxidants, high in sugar, and loaded with chemical residue to keep that perfect shape during shipping. Real, nutrient-dense strawberries are often smaller. They are red all the way through. They might even look a little ugly or irregular. Do not fear the ugly strawberry. Fear the one that looks like plastic. So, what happens when you eat these chemical-soaked perfect berries every day? It starts in the gut. The pesticide residues, specifically chloropicrin, can irritate the gut lining, leading to inflammation. But the long-term risk is scarier. Studies link high exposure to these specific pesticide cocktails to endocrine disruption. That means they mess with your estrogen and testosterone levels. For men, this is linked to lower sperm count. For women, it's linked to reproductive issues. And yes, chronic exposure is consistently linked to higher risks of certain cancers. Does this mean you have to stop eating strawberries? No. They are incredible for your heart, if you eat the right ones. Here is the 2-step protocol to save your liver. Step 1. The buy. If your budget allows, this is the one item you must buy organic. The difference in pesticide levels between conventional and organic strawberries is massive compared to other fruits. If you can't afford fresh organic, buy frozen organic. They are picked at peak ripeness and are often cheaper. Step 2. The wash. Running water does almost nothing. You need a chemical reaction to strip the pesticides. Take a bowl of water. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Soak your strawberries for 12 to 15 minutes. University of Massachusetts researchers found that this specific method degraded the pesticides on the surface better than tap water. Don't be fooled by the perfect shape. Nature isn't perfect. Real food has flaws. Stop buying the giant, hollow, white-topped berries that taste like water and chemicals. Look for the deep red, smaller ones, and please soak them in baking soda. Your liver works hard enough. Don't poison it with your dessert.